In today's video, we're going to show you how to get those folks who keep visiting your site but haven't subscribed to your email list yet signed up. Using the optinmonster WordPress plugin, you can automatically identify your returning visitors and welcome them with a pop-up just asking them to join. Stick around and we'll show you how. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell to be part of the conversation. First, you'll need to get signed up for a subscription OptinMonster. We'll leave a link in the description how you can do that, along with a special code that you can use to get a great discount. All right, now we'll head over to optinmonster.com and log into the dashboard. Next, we'll click the green Create Campaign button. Now we'll choose Pop-Up Campaign. That's an attention-grabbing campaign that converts really well for OptinMonster users. Then we'll choose a template. So let's just go with the Entice template. And then we'll give our campaign a name so we can easily recognize it and keep all of our stuff organized. Now we'll add the website that we're going to be using for the campaign. Okay, great. Now the fun starts. First, we'll replace the default image with an image that's more fitting for the campaign. It's super easy. Just click on the image and the editing tools will appear on the left. Now we'll just click on Select to replace the image, and that'll take us to the image gallery, where we'll choose the image that we've already uploaded. And then we'll click on the default headline text and we'll change it to something that's more welcoming. How about "Welcome back, can we keep in touch?" Next, we'll adjust the font type and we'll edit the text so it will appear on two separate lines. And then we'll adjust the font size to 30 and change the formatting so each word will be capitalized. Super. All right, it's a good idea to save our campaign while we're at it, so we can do that by simply clicking the Save button at the top of the screen. Next, we'll edit the body text the same way, and so we'll just click on it to bring up the editing tools on the left. Now we could use the same process to edit our opt-in form and our button if we'd like. Okay, perfect. Next, we'll set the display rules. This is where we can control when our pop-up shows up on the site and who sees it. So to make sure only returning visitors see our pop-up, we'll use OptinMonster's advanced targeting. Now to do that, just go to Display Rules, and we're going to click on Personalization. Then we'll click on Returning Visitor. Now only our returning visitors are going to see our Welcome Back pop-up. Next, we'll add our email integration. Now to do that, just go to Integrations, and then click on Add New Integration, and click the Select Provider drop-down menu. So for this tutorial, we're going to choose Constant Contact from the drop-down. Next, we'll click the Register with Constant Contact button. This is going to open up a pop-up where we can sign into our Constant Contact account and allows Constant Contact to work with OptinMonster. Once we're done, we'll just click the Allow button and then add an account label and click the Connect to Constant Contact button. Now OptinMonster will pull the email list that we have available on our Constant Contact account, and we'll be able to choose the email list that we'd like to use for this opt-in. All right, terrific. Now we'll just save our opt-in and we're good to go. Now any leads that sign up to this pop-up will be automatically added to that list. If you're using another email service, just check out the instructions for further OptinMonster integrations. Now don't worry, we'll leave a link in the description below so you can do that. Awesome. Now it's time to publish a campaign. Now to do that, just click the Publish button at the top of the screen and then click the Publish tab to live. OptinMonster offers a whole range of publishing options for various platforms. If you need a little guidance with embedding OptinMonster on your site, just check out the link that we've left in the description. Now you know how to get the attention of your returning visitors with a welcome back pop-up message. Now give it a try and let us know how it works out for you. And if you want to learn more Monster Insights tips, tricks, and techniques, just be sure to check out one of the videos on your screen now.